Alright guys, how's it going? Today what we're going to be doing, we're going to be taking you into the Dubai Miracle Garden. You know, we're going to head in and we're going to check it out. We're going to let you know exactly what it's like, right? We're going to tell everybody what it's like in there, and we're going to take them for a quick walk. Want to do it? Alright, let's do it. Open here until 9 p.m. today, so we're heading in here shortly. It's a lot more stunning in person than it does than it looks in on video, that's for sure. We've watched numerous videos on this and it looks nothing like it does in person. It is absolutely unbelievable what they did here.
This is really cute though. Remember like Storybook Gardens in London?
Yeah.
And it was like cute. This is like, oh, that's cute.
Guys, look at how crazy this is. This is a real airplane. Double-decker Emirates airline. This is nuts. Look at the size of it. It's like one of the main features here. Very cool. What do you think so far?
It's so cute here. Tons of little booths of flowers or flowers and plants, and everything is so pretty. Lots to do. We did mini golf.
Here's a good angle of this thing. Look at how monstrous it is. It is just huge. Craziness. What a really, really cool thing to see here. Then they got the tunnel of hearts. See how cool this is? People taking pictures over here. It's awesome. But I've never in my life seen so many flowers ever in my life. It is really spectacular, and what a piece of art they've created here in Dubai. Must visit, and again, does no justice. So here's Disneyland right here. Elle posing.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have a attention please? I would like to inform you that the Miracle Garden will be closed at 9 p.m.
We're getting ready to close here, so we're catching the very end of it. That's why it's so quiet. Otherwise, it would be slam packed. We're catching the end, so it's nice and quiet. It's actually nice because there's no sun right now, so we're able to kind of.
For pictures, it's not busy.
Yeah, she's right for pictures. It's like it's not busy at all, so you're able to get a picture, see it all. You're not sweating. It's probably like 75 degrees here right now, so it's beautiful. It's just it's a nice time to come if you don't want to come during the day or the heat bothers you. This is a great time, but yeah, that's why it's so quiet here. But really cool experience. Definitely highly recommend that you come down here and check this one out. Now, where are we off to?
Global Village.
Tell me a little bit about Global Village.
Global Village is almost like a carnival type thing for different countries around the world, and they have, each country has different food booths,
like
shopping stalls.
Canada,
I don't know if Canada's there. Shopping stalls, and yeah, it's supposed to be pretty crazy, pretty cool, and we're excited to check that out and eat lots of yummy food
What's this over
from
here?
all around the world.
I didn't see that.
Yeah, that was when they had the theater there.
Oh, they do a show,
They do,
but
like,
we came
shows
late.
or something.
Pretty cool coming late at night, though, right?
Yeah,
Do you
look
think
at the
it's better?
ballerinas now. They're pretty.
What do you think? Kind of worked out good coming in the evening. No sun, not a lot of people. You
No
can take
sun.
easy
I wish we
photos.
came like an hour earlier because we did miss a couple parts, but we saw the main things. I think we saw the plane, we saw the castle. Yeah.
A lot of things for kids to do in Dubai.
Oh my gosh, it's like never ending. The entertainment here.
For children, it's just awesome. Everything's so safe and everything's so clean. Like there's not
Yeah.
one thing I've seen on the road. It's
I know.
spotless, the entire
Even here
city.
too, like just everything's well maintained.
All right, guys, that's it from
Miracle Garden.
Miracle Garden, guys, in Dubai. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and love where you live. Talk to you soon.